students, very good morning to one and all. I hope that you are all of fit, fine and safe. Do you have that our school has started online classes? You must take advantages of this opportunity and make use of it. So skip these online classes from starting till the end. Okay students, today we will discuss about the 4th standard English. First lesson, the trick robot. First, we will discuss the general explanation about the robot. General explanation. You see that robot? This is the robot. That first one type of robot. I say to the general explanation. Robot is a machine. Robot is a machine designed to execute to one or more tasks automatically with speed and precision. This is the general explanation. Robot is a machine designed to execute one or more tasks automatically with speed and precision. Execute. What is the meaning of execute? Execute means perform. Task. Task means job. Job or duty. Precision. What is the meaning of precision? Precision means accuracy. Precision. Precision means accuracy. Accuracy. This is the meaning of execute, task, precision. Okay children. Next we will do that types of robots. Today types of robots. Different types of robots. There are service robot, remote control robot, mobile robot, domestic robot, medical robot, research robot, competition robot, military robot, entertainment robot, industrial robot, swarm robot, space robot, tele robot, modular robot, stationary robot. Next, we will again on to say that types of robot. Service robot, remote control robot, mobile robot, domestic robot, medical robot, research robot, competition robot, military robot, entertainment robot, industrial robot, swarm robot, space robot, tele robot, modular robot, then stationary robot. These are the types of robots. Okay children, next we will discuss about the lesson the trick of robot. First the trick robot. Before itself I want to write some words. Glossary. Glossary means new vocabulary. Pleaded, requested, refused, disagree, pleasant, enjoyment, glad, happy, excited, emotion, active, energetic, draining, empty. These are the some before that lesson that hard words, glossaries. Pleaded, requested, refused, disagree, pleasant, enjoyment, glad, happy, excited, emotion, active, energetic, draining, empty. Okay children, now we will discuss about the explanation of the trick robot. Explain about the trick robot. Vicky was a lazy boy. Lazy means not ready to do any work. He never did his homework on time. Never means not ever. He never kept his things back in the right place. Back in related to right. Correct. He pleaded. Pleaded means, already I want to say the glossary, requested. He pleaded to his father to buy him a robot to do his work. Work means doing something. Vicky's father wanted him to become an active. Active means energetic. So he bought him a trick. Trick means a cunning act. Robot. Vicky did not know that it was a trick robot. He was glad to have a robot to do all his work. Glad means happy. Again I want to say the explanation. Vicky was a lazy boy. Who was a lazy boy? Vicky was a lazy boy. He never did his homework on time. He never kept his things back in the right place. He pleaded to his father to buy him a robot to do his work. Vicky's father wanted him to become an active boy. So he bought him a trick robot. Vicky did not know that it was a trick robot. He was glad to have a robot to do all his work. Okay children, do you understand that lesson? Next, briefly that lesson, the trick robot. Okay children, now discuss about the robot and Vicky. Robot and Vicky. First of all, Vicky's father bought a robot and gave to him. He said to him, this robot is very intelligent. Do that work with him. Enjoyment. That Vicky is excited to new robot. He has hungry. So he asked the robot. He had some salad. Vicky's robot replied that not eat salad. So it cannot make the salad. Vicky asked robot to clean his house. Suddenly robot refused. He can't believe that he has more back pain. Vicky believed that. He asked to at least charge his phone. Robot replied that it has not my duty, he do that work himself. He has a day, so he asked the robot to get him a cup of hot tea. Robot replied that its battery is draining. Draining means empty. So robot asked to Vicky charge its battery. He got more irritated and said to his father, this robot totally useless, so sell it. Suddenly robot requested to Vicky's father to sell him an active master. Robot don't want to the work lazy people like Vicky. Vicky realized his happiness. Finally, Vicky decided to do the work with himself. Okay children, do you understand that lesson? Now What is the moral? Never be lazy. Do you understand that lesson, the trick robot? I am write some words. First of all, I want to write on that board synonyms. Robot. What is the meaning of robot? Yeah, machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Robot means machine. Lazy. What is the meaning of lazy? Not ready to, not ready. R-E-A-D-Y. Not ready to do all the work. All the work. Not ready to do all the work. Never. Not ever. Never means not ever. E-V-E-R. Not ever. Pleaded. Requested. R-E-Q-U-E-S-T-E-D. Pleaded means requested. Right. Right. What is the meaning of right? Correct. C-O-R-R-E-C-T. Right means correct. Active. Energetic. Active means energetic. E-N-E-R-G-E-T-I-C. Energetic. Active means energetic. Trick. A cunning act. Trick means a cunning. C-U-N-N-I-N-G. Cunning act. A-C-T. Act. You trick robot, no? That is the robot's a trick. A cunning act. Intelligent. Clever. C-L-E-V-R. Intelligent means clever. Excited. Emotion. Excited means emotion. E-M-O-T-I-O-N. Emotion. Excited means emotion. Believe. Trust. Believe means trust. T-R-U-S-T. Trust. Believe means trust. Tired. Tired means drowsy. D-R-O-W-S-Y. What is the meaning of tired? Drowsy. Draining. Empty. Draining means empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. This is the some synonyms. This some words given to the word. You say that answer. Robot. What is the meaning of robot? Yeah, machine. Lazy. Not ready to do any work. Never. Not ever. Pleaded. Requested. Right. Correct. Active. Energetic. Trick. A cunning act. Intelligent. Clever. Excited. Emotion. Believe. Trust. Tired. Drowsy. Draining. Empty. These are the some words. Say that synonyms. Next, want to say that antonyms. Antonym means, what is the antonyms? Antonyms are opposites. O-P-O-S-I-T-S. Opposites. Some words we will write on the board. You say that answer. What is the back? Back. What is the opposite of back? Front. Back. Front. F-R-O-N-T. Front. Right. What is the right? Opposite. Wrong. Right. Wrong. Right. Wrong or left. Right. Left. Right. Wrong or left. L-E-F-T. Left. Never. Never do that work in Vicky. But never. What is the opposite of never? Always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. Lazy. What is the meaning of lazy? Active. A-C-T-I-V-E. Active. Lazy means lazy opposite active. Work. Rest. R-E-S-T. Rest. What? Opposite word. Rest. Clean. Dirty. D-I-O-T-Y. Dirty or unclean. Clean means dirty or unclean. Use. Useless. U-S-E-L-E-S-S. Useless. This is the some antonyms of the word back, front, right, wrong or left, never, always, lazy, active, work, rest, clean, dirty, use, useless. Do you know that opposite words? Okay, students. Next we will do that some questions related to our lesson. Answer the following questions. What kind of a boy was Vicky? Do you know? Say the answer. Vicky was a lazy boy. Vicky was a lazy boy. He never did his homework on time. What kind of a boy was Vicky? Vicky was a lazy boy. He never did his homework on time. He never did his homework on time. What kind of a boy was Vicky? Vicky was a lazy boy. He never did his homework on time. Okay, children. Next question. Who asked the robot to attend the phone call? Who asked the robot to attend the phone call? Yes, Vicky. What is the answer? Vicky. Vicky asked the robot to attend the phone call. Who asked the robot to attend the phone call? Vicky asked the robot to attend the phone call. Okay, children. Next question. Who did Vicky want to do all his work? Whom did Vicky to do all his work? Vicky wanted. Vicky wanted to the robot. Vicky wanted to the robot to do all his work. Vicky wanted to the robot to do all his work. To do all his work. Whom did Vicky want to do all his work? Vicky wanted to the robot to all his work. Okay, children. Next question. How did Vicky change at the end? Vicky decided to do the work, to do all the work himself. Vicky decided, D-E-C-I-D-E-D, decided to do all the work with himself. Work with himself. H-I-M-S-E-L-F. How did Vicky change at the end? Vicky decided to do all the work with himself. Okay, next question. What did learn from the trick robot lesson? Do you know learn from the lesson? You say that answer. Never be lazy. That answer. Never be lazy. We never be lazy. We never be lazy. Know the understand the meaning? We never be lazy. Nobody is not lazy. That is here you are. All the students want to active. Okay, children. We know that answer. I want to say that questions. What kind of a boy was Vicky? Vicky was a lazy boy. He never did his homework on time. Who asked the robot to attend the phone call? Vicky asked the robot to attend the phone call. Who did Vicky want to do all his work? Vicky wanted to the robot to do all his work. How did Vicky change at the end? Vicky decided to do all the work with himself. Okay, next question, last question. What did learn from the trick robot lesson? We never be lazy. Okay, children. Do you know understand that questions? Okay, children. We know that trick robot. First of all, I want to say that types of robot. Do you know the type of robot? Next, explain about the general explanation about the robot. What is the general explanation about the robot? Robot is a machine designed to execute one or more tasks automatically with speed and precision. This is the general explanation about the robot. Next of all, I want to explain about the trick robot. Then you complete the lesson, explain about the lesson. I want to say some glossaries. Glossary means new vocabularies. Next, I want to explain that tick robot. Next, synonyms, antonyms. Answer the following questions. Do you understand the lesson? Please understand the lesson. What is the meaning of the tick robot? We never be lazy. Okay, children, we will discuss about next lesson. Thank you.